If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform to manage your software development projects, Teamwork.com might be exactly what you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Teamwork for managing your software development projects effectively and why it's a great choice for teams of all sizes. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to maximize your productivity with this powerful tool. Teamwork.com isn't just another project management software. It's a complete solution designed to streamline your workflow, collaborate efficiently, and deliver software projects on time. The best part? You can start using Teamwork for free with an exclusive trial that includes bonuses. Check the first link below to claim it. Now, let's dive into the key features that make Teamwork perfect for software development teams. First, let's talk about task management. With Teamwork, you can easily break down your project into smaller tasks, assign them to specific team members, and track progress. This is essential for software development projects where each task, from coding to testing, needs to be clearly defined and monitored. The interface is simple to use, but powerful enough to handle complex projects. You can also create task lists within projects to better organize your work. For instance, you can set up a task list specifically for back-end development, another for front-end, and a separate one for testing. This helps in keeping your team aligned and makes sure everyone knows exactly what they need to work on. One of the most powerful features for software development teams is Teamwork's ability to integrate with your existing tools. Whether you're using GitHub, GitLab, or Slack, Teamwork makes it easy to integrate your favorite development tools into your workflow. This allows for better communication between your development environment and the project management system, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Speaking of communication, Teamwork's messaging system is great for staying connected with your team. You can leave comments directly on tasks, upload relevant files, and tag team members to get their attention when needed. This keeps all communication in one place and reduces the risk of important information getting lost in emails or scattered across multiple platforms. Another key feature is the time tracking tool. For software development teams, tracking time is crucial for budgeting and productivity analysis. You can easily log hours worked on each task, and Teamwork will generate reports for you. These reports can be useful for tracking your team's progress and identifying potential bottlenecks in your project timeline. You'll also find Teamwork's milestones feature particularly helpful for software development projects. Milestones are essential for setting major checkpoints throughout your project. Whether you're completing an initial prototype or preparing for a software release, milestones help keep your team on track and provide a clear view of your project's overall progress. In terms of project timelines, Teamwork's Gantt chart is incredibly useful. It allows you to visually map out your entire project schedule, seeing dependencies and key deadlines at a glance. This helps your team stay ahead of deadlines and ensures that critical tasks are completed on time. For teams working on multiple projects simultaneously, Teamwork's portfolio management feature is ideal. It allows you to get a high-level overview of all your projects in one place. You can quickly assess the status of each project and shift resources as needed. This is particularly useful when you're juggling multiple software development projects and need to prioritize tasks. Lastly, the reporting and analytics features within Teamwork provide in-depth insights into your team's performance. You can track your team's productivity, monitor task completion rates, and adjust your processes to improve efficiency. These reports help you optimize workflows and keep your software development projects running smoothly. By now, you can see how Teamwork can simplify and optimize the management of your software development projects. From task tracking to time management, communication, and reporting, this platform is designed to improve efficiency and reduce the complexity of your workflow. So, to wrap up, remember that you can get started with Teamwork.com completely free through the link in the description below and take advantage of our exclusive bonuses. With its comprehensive features, it's the perfect tool for software development teams looking to stay organized and focused. Try it out today and let us know how it helps with your next project.